Try the recording. Okay. So, uh, okay, did you got any scenarios in your project, in your organization about integration?
No, Mir. In my project, there is no like
Sorry?
integration work going. In my project, there is no integration work going on, so I didn't get any scenario for that.
Okay. So, like in your project, there is no integration, or else they are not giving the integration task to you.
No, no, there is no integration. Actually, the integration that was built, I mean, long ago, but that is like a simple bulk API, nothing more.
Okay. Then how it's possible, man? If it is no integration in the project, means how they can able to integrate with one party to other party?
No, this is a small application actually. So there are
Okay.
some data.
Okay, there is no bulk data. There is a small data only. It's like you are using for this small enterprise edition, right? Hello.
Policy flows, like these type of thing, the effects.
Yeah. Okay. Uh, I will share my screen. You can able to see my screen.
It's loading. Yeah, I can see now.
Just to hold on. I will put my earphones. It will. Able to hear me, right?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Okay. So in your project, you are using a enterprise edition, right, for the small scale industries.
Yes.
Okay. Um, and also in the enterprise edition, there is no agent force license. Like, did your organization they have buy the agent force license as well?
No, no.
Okay.
Actually, this application is already built earlier, so this is kind of a support plus enhancement project. So it's
Okay.
not like full development.
Mhm. Okay, fine. Okay, now, we have done the JSON, which is a serialize and serialize pretty and deserialize and type. Correct. Now we are going to start with start generator, JSON generator. We can able to say. So, what is meant by JSON generator exactly? So, see, if I want to convert the data, if I want to convert the Apex data or else collections data, if I want to convert, then I should have to go through with deserialize and type or else deserialize or else if I want a string format very good, so I should have to go through with serialize pretty correct. So each and if I want different scenario, we're having a different topics. Based on that, we should have to select which serialize is correct. Correct. Now in this JSON generator, we can we can able to create our own JSON string format with the help of the JSON generator. There is a inbuilt class it is having in Apex that is called as a JSON generator. With the help of that, we don't want to use any kind of serialize like serialize pretty, serialize and deserialize and deserialize and type. Without using, we can use only one class that is called as a JSON generator. In that only we can able to set been able to do a correct format of JSON. Uh, I will show you, then you can able to get it correctly. Clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah. Whatever I have told, right? Did you hear?
Yes, yes, I heard that.
Okay. So this is a JSON generator. okay, which we can able to do it right now, because it's a if you're not using serialize and deserialize, right, then we should have to use JSON generator. So in this only we can able to create our own format, our own alignment we can able to do with the help of the JSON generator. This JSON generator, what it will do, it a predefined Apex class available in system namespace. It's manually created JSON data in Apex. It will create manually. We don't want to go through with serialize. We can go through with JSON generator. The class provide different methods to JSON generate JSON strings, field by field, and object by object. It is mainly used in Salesforce integrations when we need to JSON data to external systems or APIs. Like for the in these cases, we can able to go through with the serialize as well, or else we can able to go through with the JSON generator as well. Like more preferred cases, some people they, I mean, as per the scenario, as per the requirement, I mean, as per the flexibility, like every developer having a mindset different, every developer having a different logic, correct? Because few developers they will go through with the serialize, and a few developers they will go through with the JSON generator. Clear?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So now I will log in. I recorded a session, right?
Yeah, it's recording, showing.
And one more thing, do you know debug logs? How to create the debug logs? Hello?
You can set up a debug log, and yeah, that after we do anything, then the logs will be shown.
Yeah, if we create the debug log, then how many days it will be there? Like when it will be disappear from the Salesforce once the debug log is created.
Not sure, but that we can manually delete the logs. Like
No,
there
they're
is a
having
delete all
a
option comes.
no, no. Yeah, delete option is there, but they're having a certain days. From that, it will be disappear automatically. There is a Salesforce. They have launched another one tool, and in the tool, the data it will be stored for 1 month. Whatever we have created the debug log. Recently, only
Okay,
they have got the update. Okay, you can ask your teams, then they will let you know.
okay,
So close this one. Okay, now we are going to start with the JSON generator. First of all, we can go through with the basic.
okay.
JSON generator. Now I will put this class into in VS Code. Sorry, Visual Force page. String JSON string. So in previous scenario, in previously what we have done, serialize pretty right, and when we call the every class in the uh, Visual Force page, then we should have to call every variable in the Visual Force page. Then only we can able to get the proper data. Correct. So in this JSON generator, we don't want to call every variable. Set. So now JSON generator having a predefined class in the Salesforce. So how we can able to identify system dot JSON generator. This is a predefined class. JSON dot. Now, now here I will use a this one. What do we say? One method in the JSON generator. I will make it true. Why I should have to create the generator here? I should have to create the generator. So that's why I'm making it true here. So it will generate. So it will generate the value from me. So it will generate a value from me. Then whatever I'm inserting the data. I'm creating a data types from JSON generator. So whatever I'm inserting a data types with fields, those are all convert into the string format. That's why I'm making it true here. I'm making a true. So next, creating JSON object. Okay. Now start JSON object. Okay. Now how I can able to start the JSON object? See, in JSON generator, this is a class and this is a method. We're having a few methods in JSON. In JSON, we're having a few methods. From those methods, we should have to write down here. We should have to write a few methods like endpoint and start point and endpoint. How we are in the JSON language. In the JSON language, then how it will be show exactly when we are using. Okay, so whenever the JSON language is created, the JSON format, how it's look like. It should the open flower bracket. After that, close flower bracket. Correct. So from starting, it should say in this two between, we will get a data in JSON format. So in JSON generator also, they're having a starting parameters. This having starting parameter. How we can able to set a starting parameters and ending parameter. So that's why I'm here inserting a starting parameter. Then how I can able to insert a start parameter here. Then I should have to use gen variable. I'm taking from instance gen variable equal to sorry, dot write start object. So if I write a gen write start object means it will give flower bracket open. Flower bracket open. So every JSON format in the uh, JSON generator. In JSON generator, if I want to convert a JSON format, then the starting point, it is a very start. This is a starting point. We should have to use this one start. Now end. Now end. What is the end point here? End JSON object. Gen dot write end object. Okay. This is starting. This is ending. In this middle, we need to write the data types. In this middle, we need to write a data type. This is starting. This is a ending. Hope did you clear? Hello.
Oh, sorry, I was speaking in mute. Yeah, yeah, understood.
Yeah. So now what I will do here, whatever I have created a variable, right? In this variable, I'm calling this is all the data.
Okay,
Convert JSON object into string. JSON string equal to gen dot. Now, how I can able to add here exactly? Can you tell me what I should have to insert here?
the JSON string.
Mhm. So,
Uh,
like in other cases, in other classes, when I want to convert the data, or else when I want to store the data, then I should have to use a variable here equal to. I should have to add those variables what I have wrote, correct? But in JSON generator, there is a specific word. There is a one specific word. I should have to use that word only. Okay, it's a dynamic word. It's a dynamic word. What is that word here? Get as string.
okay,
Get as this is dynamic. This is dynamic word. Then whatever I have stored the data it is comes in a string format. Clear?
yeah,
Same.
not much clear, but yeah, I guess after the example, I'll be able to understand.
No, you can able to understand very easily once you practice one or two, right? And one more thing, this week I'm going to give you a small task about the topics. Then you will get more clarification about the basic understanding in the integration. Okay.
Okay,
Now Visual Force. Uh, JSON generator one controller. Okay. So here I will call only one variable. What is that variable here?
Gen.
JSON string.
Okay, JSON string. Okay,
That's it. Okay. Save this.
okay,
If I preview right, then you can able to see exactly output. This is basic. You can able to see.
okay,
So this is starting. This is the ending. This is the starting point and this is the ending point.
okay. How
So
how this is coming?
yes, yes. Yeah, this is
From
a
this right?
yeah. So this is a right. It's a starting point and it's a
Okay,
ending point. So
okay,
in this middle, we need to write a data types. Like we need to write then we need to write a logics here in the middle. So every JSON generator, this two step is very mandatory. Starting and ending.
yeah, understood.
In the middle, we need to write. Clear?
Yes, yes, understood.
So now we are going to start new example, different another example. I don't want to create another one class because I have created a lot of classes. Okay. Now here example. Okay. So as it is, this is as it is. It will come. Okay. After that, as it is, this also is as it is. Now I will insert in the middle field name plus value. Field name plus value. I will insert here. So how I can able to
Mm-hmm.
insert field name plus value in the JSON generator? Gen dot write field name. So this is a field name. I'm going to insert like this.
Okay.
Are you getting right?
Yes, yes.
So now emp name. I'm going to write a string emp name. So I have given emp name, correct? Now
Mm-hmm.
I want to give the value for this. I have given a name, employee name. Now what is the employee name for the value? So gen dot write string, write string, string. Spelling correct, right? Okay,
Mm.
Mitra. Okay, so this is how
Okay.
I can able to write. This is a name. This is a value. Now string uh now I will use string is done. Now second one is number. Okay,
Okay, so
gen
same you need to do.
dot, yeah, write field name, same as it is, age. Gen dot write number. For example,
Right S number.
sorry, write number.
Okay.
Okay,
Understood.
next string field direct method. Now I'm using direct method. Oh, okay. Gen dot write write string field. Okay. Now direct method. Direct method in the sense I'm not going to use any kind of value. I'm going to including both here, value also and string also, both. I'm not going to use like this. I'm going to use only one line.
Okay.
City, Bangalore. Okay. Number, field, direct method. Gen dot write number field. See here I'm using field name and below number. Now I'm
Mm-hmm.
using direct here. Write number field. Okay. Phone number. Okay. Enter.
Will it be within quotes? It's number, right?
Hey, no, it will take 10. It will take the 10 digits. That's what I'm thinking.
Uh, it's the field only.
Okay. Now data field. Date field. Gen dot write date field. Okay. For example, DOV. Okay. Now I will use, like you can mention like this, same as it is, like our old logic we can able to use. System dot today.
Okay.
Okay. Now true and false, which is blob. Sorry, blob. We can use. Do you know what is mean by blob?
It's like flag variable true or false boolean value.
Yeah. No, it that is a boolean. Blob is a different.
Okay.
B C D F G. Okay, I will use like this. Now blob body. Blob dot value of. So here blob means it will decode the value. Blob
Okay.
means it will decode the value when you use a blob. Now I'm using here gen dot write blob field. So in this blob field, I will use pass. Okay, what I need to pass here?
Body.
Body. Now end body. It is a end body here.
Mm-hmm.
The, that is a start. This is a start, and this is a end. Okay. Now I'm using a convert the string as it is same. I don't want to do anything as it is same only. Okay.
Okay.
Now just to go and this is, I don't want to do anything. Just I will click the okay.
The
Close
controller
this
needs to change.
preview. If I click preview,
The controller needs to
oh
change.
okay.
And that is not saved. Is showing some error.
Yeah. Yeah, it's showing a illegal integer. If I use more numbers, yeah. So it's showing a if I use like this, okay. Mitra,
Yes.
if I
Why it
use
was not passing?
Yeah, if I use more numbers, so it will not take because I'm using a number field here. So it will take only few numbers like roll number or any salary. We can able to, we can able to put. If I use a more numbers, it will not able to take because uh, the integer it's a illegal integer. Then we need to use integer value of. If I use int value of, then definitely it will take more numbers.
Okay, yeah, but because like the for the salary or revenue, the number can be big, right?
No, yeah, a revenue also we can able to do and salary also we can able to do. Okay, here if I use a salary, okay, then I will use here decimal. Sure, number I can use a decimal for the salary. If I use a number, then I will use okay. If I use phone, it will work. Illegal integer.
Yeah, my point is like the number can be more depending on the scenario. So
No, so see, it's having a limit in the JSON like when we creating a field, then the number having a limit we can able to insert. But in this JSON generator, we're having a limit for the number as well. So we can't able to insert more numbers. But we can able to insert the logic. As per the logic, it will convert. Like we can able to convert as well. They're having a some logic things. If you use a logic things inside here, like I have done this one, right? Blob. Like I have decoded. Then after that, I will pass the value in the blob field. Like this, you can able to add some logic, and this variable you can able to pass the data here. Okay.
okay.
So if I go back, uh, change, save it. Okay. Now click preview. So now you can able to see here.
Mhm.
See here. This is a code decode. It will give to us.
Okay.
Employee name, intra, and the city, ID number, and date of birth, and this is a path, which it will give to us the value. Exactly. How did you clear?
Yes, yes.
So just practice this one generator. Okay. After that, we can. I no. Actually, I will give you one small project like about the serialization and a start generator. Sorry, JSON generator. Uh,
Okay.
then after that we can move the another one topic because whatever I have explained those topics and you need to grip on those topics from the basic things only you can able to crack the scenario whatever the integration topics if you go through it. Okay, okay. Bye, Mitra.
Yeah. Bye.